So those trades that I got their buyer zone on the 4-hour time frame, they are not responding on the lower time frame. I'm not seeing a real market structure shift, so I'm not going to force entry. I'm just going to check another pair. Let's see, Ethereum USD. Ethereum also I got it buyer zone, but it did not show MSS yield, so I'm going to wait, or let me check for some time. So before I didn't check the 1 minute time frame, so I already see the MSS and price has already been going up, so it's for me to just participate in the move that was in before. So I'm expecting the market to move this way. If it come to this zone and then got me tap and then start moving up, as you guys already know, start moving up this way, then I'll make profit. But if price come and start moving the other way, like start moving this way, and then start moving like this, and come and clear that red zone, then I've lost money. That's how it works. And I have a result so that says that if price go and break that above that zone, then I will close my trade that I placed. Or if price go above that zone without triggering my zone before, I'll close that trade. That's my own rules, and that's my psychology behind it. I'm going to tell you guys also what that means, and let's see if you're going to trigger my zone or not. So like, share, subscribe.
So I'm not going to exit that position till price clear that zone that I placed my TP. If it didn't, then I'll still hold the trade that way. And it doesn't trigger. So let's see.
Price almost triggered at my zone. Price almost triggered the zone. I don't know why it didn't trigger it and it started moving up. And at this point, I feel like my price might not come down anymore. But anything can happen and I didn't give moment. And at the lower time frame, I'm seeing a structure shift. And the valid structure shift, showing that this OB down here is valid to bounce the market, which means I picked the wrong zone and price can actually respect this zone. Let me see if it has respected. Let's see. So at this point, this is what I'm supposed to enter for. Let me see. Price tap the zone. Market tap the zone. I would have entered here, but sure, I missed it and it's all part of the process. And that's it. I didn't actually miss it. Today is Monday and I follow my rules. If price clear that zone, if price close that zone there, you can see how it's spiking up. But if price go up and close that zone, I'm going to exit my order. You can see on the trade account that I'm trading on, I have those zones. I have placed those trades on them. I'm still waiting for them to trigger. But if price clears that up zone, there's a red zone, I'm going to exit the order. And then let's see it. If price is going to close above that zone before I can exit the order. Because at this point, price might not trigger my zone anymore. So you can see it. So let's see. I feel like closing right down, but I have a rule. It must close above that zone first. Now, price almost closed, but it doesn't. And I'm still going to wait. Price have closed the zone. You can see price have cleared the red zone. I'll delete the order. Going to the other profile. I'm deleting the order. Yes, I delete the order also. Let me delete it on the Marvin profile also. And that's it. After deleting this order, then I'm done for today. I'm not checking the chart anymore. So let's see the psychology.
I see Lambo today, but my body feels me, guy. What's up, guys? It's your back in the face and I'm back here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video won't take long. I just want to tell you guys about the trade I take today, and this actually trigger my zone. But it's all part of the process. I didn't pause the trade. I was waiting for the setup for about 3 hours and it didn't trigger my zone. And I had my rule that said that if price didn't trigger my entry zone before or didn't clear me out before went to clear the TP zone, I play, take profit. I'm going to exit my order and that's it. And I exit the order and the price still go up. Today is Monday. I don't trade Monday actually, but I trade currency pair on Monday, and actually I trade gold and BTC on Sometimes I don't even trade in a day, and psychology behind the trade, I feel disciplined now because before I used to trade every day, every time, every how I used to trade. But now that I'm able to go to the chart, whenever I see the top I take, whenever I don't, I go off. Whenever market do not hit my criteria that I need, I just stay off. I feel disciplined doing those things now. Before I don't have any discipline. I don't even have rules. But now I have rules. I have discipline to follow those rules that I have, and I'm able to keep going no matter what. I fully know that I have 3 profit I'm trading: the good for them and the market profit, and it means a lot to me. It makes me feel like they still have more way to go. And I'm trading this 23 outside, no more like focusing on risk big more amount of money. You have to make big capital to pass the profit, but no, I'm risking less now. I don't care how long it's going to take me. I don't care how long it's going to take me to pass the profit. I don't care how long it's going to take me to get the payout. All I know is that I'm still trading. I'm in a situation where I can still trading. Whenever, after all, I lost a lot in my beginning, but it's just a mistake that I made. And one of the mistakes that I made was hesitating. Not like during those hard time of me losing, not like I wasn't seeing setup that was valid, but the mindset of participating in those setup that I'm seeing is what the case. And don't fall into those mistakes that I make. And whatever you see a setup on the market, take it, because you don't know which setup is going to be a win. How sure it's going to be a loss. So we never know. There is no way we know. Also, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep it slow motion better than no motion.
So it's on Tuesday, so I got this entry. I got my structure, my inducement, and POI. But I'm waiting for price to come to that zone. Marking it, okay, price has already tapped that zone. Just waiting for a structural liquidity and POI for me to get into the trade now. And I have to scale down to lower time frame, like 5-minute time frame or any lower time frame. There are some market structure shift. Right here, I can't see his market structure shift, the valid one, so I have to scale more down. The only structure shift I can see here is that structure shift that up there, and it's not clear, it's not a valid structure shift on this time frame. Let me go to 3 minutes. Yeah, it's there. Here is the market structure shift here, and then the pullback, the cause inducement, and then the POI is there up there. That would be mine. So at this point, just waiting for that zone, and anything can happen. So, and I'm not just clear on this bias because I'm still seeing that gold is actually bullish on doing this time around. Like, yes, you can see it. Gold is bullish, and I don't want to just suspect myself to make same trading error. So I just want to let that one be. Whenever I'm not clear about setup, I just let it be and find another. Because with this one, I'm not seeing a risk market structure shift right here. I'm not seeing any real market structure shift, so I'll just let it be and move to another time frame from this level. You can see lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. The lower high price is not come and break it with candle body. Just break it with weak, and that's an invalid market structure shift. So I'm not taking this one. That's to broke above it. The reader body broke, so I'm not taking this one anymore. I'm waiting for a market structure shift to create, and as time goes on, let me check this. I had a trade right here on GBPJPY on 5-minute time frame. I got my double break construction, liquidity and POI. I'm still waiting for this one to mitigate. So this is it. You can see I'm still waiting for this trade, and then coming to check it is not, price has not yet shown any reaction that price is about to. So let me just place my entry. I have to calculate the pips amount, and then give me the loss I'm supposed to use on this trade. So I'm losing $25 on the 5k profit, then divided by 6.62 divided by the pip number. So how many pip is that? That's 6 pip. So divided by 5p, I'm using. So you can see it. I can always come and place my order right there, buy order, place my entry, come and copy it, paste it, copy the, okay, I'm going to copy the SL. Let me first place the take profit, then before the SL. Let me place the SL. Place. So let's wait for it. Trigger. So I didn't just place this order on this 5k profit. I place it on my trading account I'm trading. I have trade profit I'm trading currently, so I place this order there. You can see it. So that's it. I'm placing this order right there. So let's see how it goes. Check this. Trade is not responding. Market is just like moving up right now. You can see it. So I'm just shifting my entry back up, because anything can happen. Market can help me. That's not where I'm supposed to place a trade, but anything can happen. And I just want to show you guys what I'm expecting on this trade. As you guys already know what I'm expecting. If price started moving like this way, then trigger this and start going up, I'll make profit. But if price start moving the other way, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then come to take out this red low, then I'll lose money. That's it. So yeah, and if price goes up and clears that high there where I place my TP, I'm supposed to exit the order. So let's see. Coming to check this one now. Let's see if price has already tapped that zone or not. Price has already cleared the zone. It's time for me to exit the order. If price would have tapped my zone before clear the zone, then that's it. But price has already cleared the zone, so let me just go and exit my order on the MT5. Let's start with the 5k. And also on the Marvin profile, let me delete the order also. I'll delete this one. So let's go to the 10k. Delete. So I've deleted my order. Placing the entry again is the choice time. So let's see.
This is going to be the dinner for today. I don't even know how I'm going to do this. I don't trade on the night usually, but I decided to just place my entry there because I don't know what might happen overnight. And then because prices create another idea, I just place my TP there, calculate the pips, and see what the lot size will be. So let me just place the lot size. That's only 5k profit. So looking up to come and see this zone. Price has not triggered yet. This price would have triggered that zone now, but I'm still waiting for this zone. Anything can happen until price clears our high there. If price went and cleared the high there, I place my TP, then I'll exit it.
entry, so let's wait. So I just got an entry, another entry on Ethereum USD, so I'm waiting for that one. So I'm just placing my order, waiting for that one to get trigger or not. So
making sure that all my mistakes are
as you guys already understand my rules, if price went above that zone and clears the way I place my TP, I'm going to exit the order. So that's on the GBP/JPY, but the rules apply to all the currency pairs I'm trading. So let's wait for it to get fused or not. We will know. So you can see price has not yet cleared the zone on the Ethereum. I just placed the entry, so I'm just waiting for it to get filled. So while I just see that you just come and check the price, market have already on the GBP/JPY price have already cleared the zone, the TP zone. We have placed the raise on there. So it's time for me to exit my order. Delete. So it's remaining only the Ethereum. Go to the other type. Delete. The other account might delete. So now I'm just waiting for the Ethereum USD to get filled or not. If price went above, I'm going to exit the order also. So let's wait for it to see if price will respect the zone or not. Coming to check the Ethereum USD, you can see price has already cleared the zone. The Ethereum. Let me show you guys on my trading view. This is the Ethereum on the higher. Okay, this is the Ethereum on the higher time frame, but I'm enter this trade on the lower time frame, which is 1 hour time frame. So that's on the price has already cleared it, so I'm just going to exit my order right now. Delete it on the order. So this week has just been somehow. I've not taken any trade so far. Even the GBP/JPY I was waiting for, price did not get fused. You can see I missed this entry far. After price has already cleared the zone, you can see what happened right here. Price respect the zone, almost tapped that zone that I mark out, but I marked this zone the wrong way. I actually know that that's not what I'm supposed to do, but I thought the price would go deep into that zone that I marked and would tap me in before going in direction. That was my thought, but I didn't know that the market has another way of moving, because before when I was consistently making profit, that was happening to me on gold. So I thought it would happen here. That's why I just placed my entry like this, and price actually and is running right now in profit. I would have caught the trade, but this thing that I just did today is a mistake. I'm not supposed to do this. It just make me feel like I start making a trading error, but I am not. I follow my criteria that say if price go above or below and clear the zone, I'm going to take my profit. So I'm going to delete my order. Now I've got another entry right here waiting for it to get filled. You can see I got another entry which is continuation entry waiting for it to get filled. I'll still stick to that rules that say if price didn't come to my zone before went below or above to get a zone, I will still follow that rule. So if price didn't tap this zone right here before went up, if price didn't come to this zone before it goes up and clear the liquidity zone, which is that up right there, if price didn't tap that and out, I will just exit my order. That's it. So the second entry that I got, price is still moving. You should not sign that it's coming to my zone, but it's all part of the process. If you can stick to the boringness, then you see the profit. So I made that mistake and I'm not going to repeat that. I just learned something from that, but it's not actually a mistake because this rule is the rule that I create. So let's do it. So update on this one. Price has not yet tapped the zone. It's been pumping up as if it has no desire to come down, but I don't know where the market might do anything can happen. I think I'll give it a wait. So I'm just going to wait and see what will happen. I'm going to still update you guys about this trade.